Hello, everybody. Today I will tell a story. That's the kid. That's the kid. Carlos was a new car. It's a very expensive car. It's a huge, blue and fast car. Running down the street. Brum, 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 brum. Carlos Silver on a bicycle. She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yelled to her, "What's up?" She ignored him. He yelled, "How's it going?" She kept going and ignored him. He yelled, "Hey! I want you to talk to me. I want to go to dinner with you. I will take you an expensive restaurant." Silverone turned just up the by and looked at him. She said, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me your car, I will give you a surprise."